cheap.
Can I drive? Make it go fast.
That's $4,000.
Alright, $4 back.
Let it hit the road.
Can I drive it?
Did you get a smaller battery?
He said no. You don't want us to break it.
The water cooling is working perfectly.
You took that motor off of a remote control motor, you built that whole motor system.
I built the whole motor system. I just bought parts and put it all together.
And the boat's made out of what?
Wood and fiberglass.
Okay.